Siba Shalum Getaway is a private equity investment opportunity located in Lehae La Rona Krugersdorp bushveld, Gauteng, South Africa. The following is a portion of the investment proposal. You can download and review the full proposal linked in the video description below. Siba Shalum Getaway, founded by the Sibara family of Camp Journey in South Africa, presents an exclusive opportunity for Diaspora investors to acquire equity participation in a boutique hospitality lodge development located at the foothills of the Magaliesberg in Krugersdorp, west of Johannesburg. The property, Lehae La Rona Gauteng, operates within a high-demand tourism and events corridor and offers a peaceful bushveld retreat environment with wildlife, event hosting potential, and strong short-term rental demand. The Sibara family of Camp Journey in South Africa are offering the following: 15 luxury log lodges at $25,000 per lodge investment, with 40% equity participation pool shared among investors. 3 months annual personal usage per investor, optional rental during that period, and share certificate issued through registered South African company. The asset, location advantages, foot of Magaliesberg mountain range, 5 minutes from trout fishing, 20 minutes from horse riding, close to Magalies village attractions, high wedding and weekend tourism corridor, 45 to 60 minutes from Johannesburg. Lodge features. Each luxury self-catering log lodge includes the following: 2 bedrooms, king or twin configuration, plus 2 single beds. In-suite bathroom, air conditioning, kitchenette with tea and coffee facilities, a refrigerator, a smart TV, a hairdryer, on-site amenities, a swimming pool, a children's play area, fish pond, braai facilities, or barbecue, as we say in the United States, a rustic bar lounge, full-size snooker table, fire pit courtyard, free roaming wildlife like zebra, buck, and blesbok, conference and banquet facilities, free parking, and laundry services. The lodge operates under a mixed-use revenue strategy: short-term accommodation, weddings and private events, corporate retreats, church gatherings, team building events, and leisure tourism. South African hospitality property historically provides strong real asset hedge against currency volatility. Hospitality property in Magalies region is expected to grow 6 to 10% annually over long term. Why this investment works for Diaspora investors: asset-backed investment, USD to Rand leverage opportunity, lifestyle and income model, personal holiday benefit, exposure to South African tourism growth, and intergenerational wealth strategy. Lehae La Rona is not just a lodge investment. It is a legacy hospitality asset positioned within one of Gauteng's most scenic tourism corridors, combining lifestyle ownership, income generation, and long-term capital growth in a secure bushveld environment. Reminder to the viewers that this has been a portion of the investment proposal. Download and review the full proposal, which includes the contact details for the Sibara family of Camp Journey in South Africa, which is linked in the video description below. Camp Journey South Africa is a purpose-driven hospitality and tourism initiative based in Johannesburg and Pretoria. The initiative specializes in personalized hosting, immersive tourism experiences, and guest-centered travel coordination for diaspora visitors, families, and purpose-led travelers seeking comfort, culture, and connection. What they offer: personalized hosting and guest relations, airport and daily pickups, curated itineraries and property tours, cultural, heritage, and township experiences, wildlife, farm, and nature excursions, dining, shopping, and lifestyle exploration. Some sample experiences hosted: property and lifestyle, like the Polo Fields Lifestyle Estate, the Wiskin, and the Precinct. Urban and lifestyle, like the Mall of Africa, Nelson Mandela Square, Melrose Arch, Rosebank, and Comic Warehouse. Nature and wildlife, like the Lion and Rhino Nature Reserve, a guided game drive and wildlife center. Cultural immersion, Soweto walking tour with local guide, Apartheid Museum, and hop-on hop-off city tour. Farm and area views, like the Cradle of Humankind surroundings, local farms, and Cowboy Town. Camp Journey South Africa's hosting philosophy. They believe hospitality is relational and intentional. Guests are guided with care, context, and flexibility, creating meaningful experiences that leave lasting impressions. Camp Journey South Africa. Hospitality with heart, tourism is with purpose, and experiences that build legacy. Thank you for watching.
Congratulations for landing on this page that changes your life. We invite you to join us at the Move Abroad in 3 Easy Steps workshop. This workshop, as I said, it's going to change your life. How's it going to do that? The Move Abroad workshop is a 2-hour workshop that our family created to teach people awareness to their foundational reasons for moving abroad. Those foundational reasons are knowing your why, operating within budget, and taking ownership by learning to do the research yourself. Look, everything we've done in life, we did it with the awareness that these foundational reasons, again, why, budget, and research are the keys to success. If you think you're scared to leave, you need to make sure that your why is very clear. If you won't move because you think there isn't enough money to make it, budgeting is your answer. Let's say you have what you think is a visa/citizenship problem. You don't have that problem. What you have is a research problem. And if you can't decide on a target country, a destination, because you keep on changing your mind, the problem is that you have a need for an objective system that you can execute, and you'll get that with us. In the Move Abroad workshop in 3 Easy Steps, we will work with you for those 2 hours and teach you the significance of the 3 values and the important aspects of each one of them. At the end of the 2 hours, you're going to have a plan on how to get started with your move abroad. Looky, we have literally had people that followed our plan, and they've done things like taken a scouting trip to El Salvador, visited Tanzania. Heck, they moved to East Africa, scouted out Kenya, and all in all, saved thousands of dollars. We're going to look forward to seeing you at the workshop and get ready to have your plan to get started with your move abroad. By the way, you don't have to take our word for it. We want you to take a listen to these testimonials. Thank you.
I'm a checklist type of person, so I really appreciate the handouts you guys gave us, because that's going to be very, very useful to me getting started, to just keep things kind of organized. Thank you again. When I saw this on YouTube, I was so excited, and I was like, I gotta sign up. I want to hear, what if this is the real thing. So this is a confirmation, and keep doing what you're doing, because there's so many of us that want to leave.
This is most helpful in many ways. One in particular, the integrity that your entire family present. I really enjoy. I like that. I mean, because it just resonates and allows me to say I feel comfortable. I feel safe with making certain types of decisions and stuff like that because of the wealth of information that you provide. I like that, and it's very concrete, systematic. So I appreciate that. Like how you identify having a system, to have a system, like what is important.
This experience was really great. It gave me more of an understanding of what it takes, and to know it's important to know your why and that you're doing this for the right reasons and the best reasons possible. And you have given us resources and tools that will enable us to have a great starting point. And I really appreciate this workshop.